What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on the Andy Kandola Show. I want to go ahead and share with you guys in this video the stocks that I believe have the biggest potential to 2x in 1 year from now. Basically, if we look back at these stocks, I believe these 6 stocks I'm going to share with you guys in this video have the potential to go ahead and easily 2x over the next year. But I do want to say, invest at your own risk. This is not financial advice. This is purely things that I'm doing with my portfolio. I like to keep it fully transparent, show you guys what I'm doing in my portfolio and some of the bets that I'm making for the next year. Now, as I do in every single video, before we get into it, share with you guys where this bucket list portfolio is currently sitting at. The portfolio is starting to go ahead and creep back to all-time new highs. The market is open right now. The current value in the portfolio is sitting at $160,836. Just today, guys, we're up $593 in this portfolio. In the last week, we're sitting $293 in the positive, or 0.18%. Last month, we're sitting about $3,000 in gains, or about 2%. In the last quarter, we're up $17,000, or about 12.58%. And then in the last 1 year, we're up $18,865, or about 18%. And then all time since we started this portfolio, we're up about 24, or roughly about $25,000, I should say, or about 33%. Now, I like when I see charts like this. I have been dollar cost averaging into the portfolio, so I will say this is not purely all from gains. We took some small dips. I like to go ahead and just dollar cost average in the portfolio. Eliminates the risk a little bit for me, and overall the strategy is just to go ahead and keep growing this portfolio and invest in companies that will pay me out in dividends as well as have some growth potential. Now, I'm going to share with you guys 6 stocks out of my whole portfolio. If you guys want to see the remainder of the portfolio, I'll leave a link down in the description. I have right around 35 stocks in this portfolio. My growth pie is the pie we're going to focus on today, because these are going to be 2x potential growth stocks that are from this pie. Apart from that, we have all these other pies which are going to be focused around my dividend stocks. But let's go ahead and now jump right into the first stock. And the first stock is not going to be any surprise if you've been on this channel before. This is one of my biggest holdings in this bucket list portfolio, and that is going to be with Tesla. Tesla, we are sitting pretty at $45 in the positive today. So with this company, guys, my current value is sitting at $28,209. Now, this is the biggest bet in my whole portfolio. They are basically the most innovative company, period. There's no other company that's as innovative as Tesla. Tesla recently had their AI day where they announced the Tesla bot. This is a human-like robot that will basically go ahead and do your chores for you, or for factories, basically this human-like robot can go ahead and do all the dirty work there. But now, in regards to this company, there's many other things that Tesla's already doing. Tesla is also working on multiple different cars. They have multiple gigafactories that are still not even open, with their gigafactories in Shanghai as well as their gigafactory in Austin and in Berlin. Once these gigafactories are up and running, Tesla's production is going to go nuts. In my opinion, is a no-brainer as far as one of the companies that has one of the biggest upside potential. However, a lot of these things, the market already does factor into the price, so that's where the risk comes in. I do believe that the stock will probably trade sideways until we see some more production numbers as well as we see some higher revenues. But this, to me, when the stock is trading sideways, is a good time to go ahead and invest in a company like this. But with Tesla, they're working on multiple other cars too. They have the $25,000 electric car that they're working on. Now, a lot of people are saying that this vehicle could be coming out sooner than later. The projected date for this vehicle, and this is purely based on rumors, but they're saying that this could be coming out late 2022 or early 2023. Now, apart from this, Tesla also has the Cybertruck, which they're hoping to go ahead and release next year. They also have the Roadster, which Elon tweeted recently that they will be coming out early 2023. Plus, they're also working on the semi-truck. So, as you guys can tell, this company has a lot going on. And guys, I can just keep going on, but these are some of the reasons why I believe that Tesla is a superpower as far as the stock goes. And as long as Elon's there, I do believe that this company is going to keep on growing. The projection for me solely in the next year for the stock is going to be at least double. The current price of the stock is trading at $755. I believe the stock is easily going to be around $1,500 this time next year. Now, jumping into the second stock. The second stock I don't talk about as much on the channel, but this is one of my bigger investments as well, and this is going to be with Roblox. Now, Roblox, we're up about 4% just today in Roblox. The current value in the portfolio is sitting at about $4,700. Now, Roblox is a gaming and entertainment platform, but with this company, guys, this company makes it extremely easy for creators to go ahead and create video games. And as creators create video games, as more and more people come on their platform and they're playing those video games, it's helping the creators out as well as the company is making money. It's basically like a platform just like YouTube for videos, for gaming. You can go ahead and create your own games in their metaverse, and when people play your games, you go ahead and make money, and you're subsidized through people playing your games. With Roblox, they're also really focused on entertainment as well. Roblox is literally doubling down on their virtual concert platform. They literally just announced, this was earlier this week, that Roblox will launch 21 Pilots virtual concert on their metaverse. With these concerts, you're actually able to go ahead and attend these concerts virtually in their metaverse with your friends. And guess what this is doing? This is bringing more and more people onto their platform. And as more and more people are getting on their platform, they're seeing all these different things happen. Hey, they're probably going to stick around and see what else Roblox has going on, or play some of the video games on there as well. So this is one of those platforms and one of those stocks that I believe still has great potential for growth. Now, Roblox is currently trading at $86, and in my opinion, this is another one of those companies that I believe will 2x over the next year. So I can see the stock go above $200 next year, but I do see, on a conservative side, the stock going up to about $170. But this is going to be the second one. Now, the third one on this list is going to be a company that I do like as well, and I do invest with, and that's going to be with Coinbase. Coinbase is basically a cryptocurrency platform where you can easily go ahead and invest in cryptocurrency. Now, current value in this portfolio is sitting at $3,819 in Coinbase, and in the last day we're down about $18. Now, Coinbase has recently been under a lot of fire because the US regulators is doing an audit and basically looking into Coinbase and their lending feature. So I'm not sure why they actually chose Coinbase, because I did some research around this. There's a lot of other platforms that are also lending, but hey, maybe because they're the biggest dog in their industry. But when a stock like this is down, it's a great time, in my opinion, to go ahead and invest. The thing with Coinbase is it's the easiest platform for any new investor to go ahead and start investing in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and the list goes on and on. I do believe that the cryptocurrency space is a brand new asset, and as more and more people and more financial institutions go ahead and start investing in this, and as soon as we see an ETF around a cryptocurrency, that is going to be huge for the whole industry. I invest in cryptocurrencies myself, and I do use Coinbase as well. So I'm very bullish on this one. Coinbase is currently trading at $256 a share. I do personally believe, guys, the stock should be a lot higher. I believe they should be trading at right around $350 a share. But in the next year, this is another stock that I believe will go ahead and double. And I'm predicting this will be over $500 this time next year. So this is gonna be the third stock. Now, the fourth one on the list that I believe will double is gonna be a brand new stock. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I added a brand new stock in this portfolio. Only have about $200 invested, but hey, in just this one day, we are up $3 in the stock. Palantir is one of those companies that I've been watching for a very long time. Thought about investing in this company early on, but because I don't know this industry as well as some of the other industries, I did not pull the plug. But at this point, I did a lot of research in regards to Palantir, and this is a company that I do believe has 2x potential. Palantir basically focuses on government contracts. They are one of the biggest players as far as when it comes down to having government contracts. They literally just signed a deal where the US Navy will be using Palantir technology. This is huge for Palantir, and as we can tell, there's just more and more contracts that they are getting from the government, as well as they're getting into the private space as well, along with smaller and mid-sized businesses. So I do believe with Palantir's platform, they have huge growth potential. And this is why I decided to go ahead and add this stock in the portfolio. This is a stock I am going to be buying pretty heavily throughout the remainder of this month and over this next year. With the stock price, it's currently trading at $26. This stock should easily be over $30 in my opinion. So this is going to be the fourth one. Now, jumping into the fifth one is going to be a stock that used to be a crowd favorite, but hey, people have taken sides on the stock, and this is going to be with Lemonade. Now, Lemonade, their most recent earnings were not so good, so the stock has been trading sideways for a while because there's been a lot of claims and a lot of losses that hit Lemonade's bottom line numbers. Lemonade in my current portfolio is sitting at $2,142. I am up about $59 or about 3% in the last day. But if I show you guys all time, down a bit in this stock, guys. I'm down about 50% or about $1,700 in this stock. Lemonade is one of those companies that I believe as long as they can go ahead and stay price competitive and they can go ahead and learn, this company has a lot of potential for growth. And that's because Lemonade is really focused on going direct to consumers through their e-commerce. And because they're able to go ahead and diversify themselves within the different insurance products, as well as because they're going on a global scale as opposed to just trying to take over one market like Canada or the US, this stock still has all great potential. Now, the biggest catalyst I'll tell you guys with Lemonade is coming out with auto insurance. If they go ahead and can have this successfully roll out and they're competitive in their pricing, auto insurance is the #1 insurance product out there, and Lemonade's not even currently in it. So I am an investor in this company, and I am very bullish on this company as well. Lemonade is currently trading at $77 a share. This to me should be a stock that's easily over $150. Again, another stock that has great potential that I believe will 2x over the next year. Now guys, the final stock and the sixth stock here is going to be Netflix. Netflix, another one of those companies. This, I would personally say, in my opinion, is probably one of the safer companies in this portfolio that still has 2x potential. All these stocks do have 2x potential, but with Netflix, because they're making a ton of cash flow, plus they are reinvesting a lot of money back into creating better and better content, and because this company is also getting into gaming, I believe this company has easy 2x potential. In my current portfolio, I have a value of $3,595. In the last day, we are down about $25. But with Netflix, they're looking to go ahead and create games that you can play on their platform or through their mobile app. So with gaming and with them getting into the space, this is a great way for them to go ahead and diversify their investment for their investors, and I believe it's going to stick because people are already going on this platform, and this content is really good. I like their content, and I believe this company has still a long ways to go ahead and grow. This stock currently is trading at about $600 a share. They're down about $4 or 0.71% just today, but this is a stock that I do believe will cross $1,200 same time next year. But guys, I'm gonna leave it at that for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I love talking about the stock market. Goal is to get this portfolio above $250,000. Going a bit aggressive on this. The goal was for the end of this year, but we'll see if that happens. But I'm still gonna keep on investing and dollar cost averaging every single week into this portfolio. If you wanna follow me on the journey or follow any of the investments that I do make, I don't have any type of course out there. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm literally just keeping myself focused and keeping myself disciplined and sharing with you guys every single week what I'm investing in. So if you do like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And all I ask for in return is if you don't mind smashing that like button, as that really helps get this video and get this channel growing. But thanks again, guys. I will leave it at that. If you are interested, I will leave a link for M1 Finance. That's the platform that I go ahead and use. They do offer $30, I believe, currently, if you want to start investing with them. But thank you. I'll see you guys at the next one.